Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that promises to restore your skin's radiance overnight, the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This lightweight facial oil is formulated to work while you sleep, delivering hydration, smoothing fine lines, and refining skin texture. If you've been curious about whether this oil lives up to the hype, stick around as we break it down based on real-world use so you can decide if it's the right fit for your routine. Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate is a nourishing face oil designed for nighttime use. It's a blend of 99.4% naturally derived ingredients that aim to replenish the skin's moisture barrier while you sleep. The lightweight formula absorbs easily, leaving the skin feeling soft and hydrated without any greasy residue. While it doesn't have any fragrance, the oil delivers a potent combination of botanicals, like evening primrose oil and lavender, to help rejuvenate the skin overnight. It's intended to visibly smooth fine lines and improve overall skin texture, helping you wake up with skin that feels more supple and refreshed. I've been incorporating this into my evening routine for the past few weeks, and here's what I found. The oil has a very light consistency that doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which is often a concern with facial oils. I used it after my regular toner and serum, applying a few drops and gently massaging it into my skin. It absorbed quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft without any residue or stickiness. The fact that it's unscented makes it ideal for anyone with sensitivities, which I really appreciate. The true test came in the morning, though. My skin looked noticeably more radiant and plump, almost as if I had just gotten a full night's rest. Even if I hadn't, what impressed me most was the texture of my skin after using it for a while. I have combination skin, and I noticed that the oil helped balance out dryness without exacerbating oiliness in my T-zone. Over time, I also saw a subtle improvement in the appearance of fine lines, especially around my eyes and forehead. That said, I didn't experience any major changes to my skin tone or pigmentation. So if you're looking for something more targeted toward discoloration or acne scars, this may not be the miracle worker you're hoping for. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate is incredibly hydrating, and I can definitely see its benefit for those with dry or dehydrated skin. It's easy to apply and you don't need much. A few drops go a long way. Plus, it's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores, which is a big win for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. On the downside, it's on the pricier side, especially when you consider that you'll need a separate product for brightening or other specific skin concerns. Also, while it does hydrate and smooth the skin, the effects can be subtle. Don't expect any dramatic overnight transformations. Is it worth the price? That depends on what you're looking for. If you need something that will hydrate your skin overnight and leave it feeling soft and rejuvenated, this oil definitely delivers. However, if you're hoping for more dramatic improvements in wrinkles, pigmentation, or overall skin tone, there are more specialized products on the market for those needs. For those who are invested in high-quality, naturally derived skincare and want a product that's easy to integrate into their nighttime routine, this could be a good fit. When comparing it to similar products on the market, Kiehl's is certainly a trusted brand, and this oil stands out for its high percentage of naturally derived ingredients. That said, there are other facial oils, like Sunday Riley's Luna Sleeping Night Oil or Tatcha's Camellia Beauty Oil, that offer similar benefits with slightly different formulations. If budget is a concern, there are also more affordable alternatives, like The Ordinary's Rosehip Seed Oil, which offers similar hydration at a fraction of the price. Looking at build quality, the packaging is sleek and feels luxurious. The dropper dispenses the right amount of product every time, preventing waste. The glass bottle is sturdy and feels high-end, adding to the overall experience. In terms of longevity, a little bit goes a long way, so this 3.4 FL/Aughts bottle should last for quite some time, even with daily use. I've been using it for a few weeks, and I've barely made a dent in it. As for customer support, Kiehl's has a strong reputation for responsive and helpful customer service. I haven't had any personal experiences reaching out, but they are known for their solid after-sales support if there are any issues with the product. If you're considering alternatives, as mentioned earlier, There are more budget-friendly oils that deliver similar hydration, though they might lack the same luxurious feel or the specific botanical blend found in Kiehl's formula. For example, the Ordinary's rosehip oil is a fraction of the cost and provides similar hydration and repair for dry skin. In conclusion, Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate is a well-formulated facial oil that excels in delivering hydration and smoothness. It's ideal for anyone with dry or dehydrated skin who wants a simple, reliable product to enhance their nighttime routine. It's not an overnight miracle for every skin concern, but it's a solid option for those looking for balanced, natural nourishment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.